Hello everyone and welcome to our channel. Today we are going to review this video intercom kit from HIKVISION. So it is Villa video intercom system. So let's open and see what is inside the box. Be careful while opening the seal. So first I will tell you the model number. Its model number is DS-KIS604-P. So you can see the model number. Let's open the box. So here we have user manual and some accessories. So let's see what is there inside. So here is the user manual. Here are some screws. Here are some power cable. And here are some connectors. Let's remove the thermocol. So here we have screen, 7 inches screen. It is 7 inches touch screen. Here is the bracket for mounting the screen. So here is our main door station. This is our main door station. In this we have mic, two-way audio, door opening symbol. The lights will turn on when the door will open. So here we have full HD camera, 2 megapixel camera. So this is the tag, name tag. So you can put your villa number or your name tag. So here we have the built-in card reader, and it has aluminum body which is quite durable and quite strong. So here we have LAN port. It is PoE, built-in PoE, so it takes the power from the PoE switch as well. So here we have some connections. So the good thing in this that we can control up to 2 doors. Like if you have your garage door and if you have your small door like normal electric lock, so you can control both doors with the same device. You don't need to put a separate device. Like when somebody will ring the doorbell, so you can also open the garage door as well. Either you have the swing garage door, or either you have shutter garage door, or either you have sliding garage door, but it depends that machine of the garage door should support the relay so that we can connect with this door station. So let's see what else is in the box. So here is the mounting bracket for the door station. So in this model we get 2 power supplies. This is 12 volt 2 ampere power adapter which comes with this kit. One is for the screen and one is for the door station. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for the next time.